we look at the relationship between quality and cost. We made a little study. We asked people from big name management colleges, especially the students who are passing out, what do you believe is the relationship between quality and cost? 80% of them said if you increase the quality, the cost will go up. I wonder whether it really will. Can we challenge that? So we set up an experiment here to see whether we can challenge it and reverse the relationship. So we have here,
I'm going to do the filling.
she has to fill 100 ml. Okay, she has to fill 100 ml, and that's the quality parameter. If she fills right, then it's fine. If she overfills or underfills, it's a defect. So we have
Manasi, I am gonna check the quality and I am gonna differentiate it in accepted, rejected for more and rejected for less.
I am Vishaka. I am going to check the time for the operation and wrote it down over this sheet so that we can easily calculate that whether the quality is cost is going down or not.
we start the experiment. Aishwarya, you must fill these 5 glasses as fast as possible, but you must fill up to this quantity.
Let's do it.
Alright, we go high speed filling, fill fast. Yes, that's good. Alright,
I'm done.
It took 13 seconds to fill.
so that's good. We have good productivity, but now what about the quality?
I am going to check the quality now. This is perfect. No, too less. Oh, this is too much. This is less. This is also less.
So we have got, out of 5 glasses, we have got,
1 accepted, 3 and 4 rejected.
alright,
It took 18 seconds.
alright, but we will put down accepted, how
One
many? 1.
accepted.
And
1
rejected,
accepted and 4 rejected.
4 rejected. Alright, now the rework starts.
I'm going to compare with the standard measurement.
Start.
The first glass is reworked. The second glass is reworked. The third glass is reworked. And this one has too much.
Stop.
I'm done.
27 seconds.
I'll again check the quality now. Accepted. Perfect. This is accepted also. Yeah, this too. Now I can pass all the 5 classes.
It took 40 seconds.
So total was 30 plus 27, that is 40 seconds for the main work plus rework. It looks like the productivity of the filling is very good, but there is a good bit of rework involved. We need to improve the situation. Any suggestions?
We can use a sensor on the glass.
We can install a device which will feed the required amount.
Or that will be expensive.
We can use the marked glasses.
Alright, so that you fill up to the mark. How will that be?
Yeah.
100 ml. I have marked glass, so I don't need standard glass.
Start.
The first glass is being filled, and I want you to observe. Please observe. Please observe. Manasi, observe. Vishaka, observe. Please observe. What's happening? Is she feeling right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Looks like that. Okay, the last glass is filled.
32
done.
seconds.
How many?
32 seconds.
32 seconds. Could you please put up on the board?
Initially,
Okay, so what happened? Maybe those business school people were right, huh? The productivity of the filling has dropped. Now, but we don't know what is the situation on rework. So let's check the quality.
okay, I'll check the quality now.
But do you really need to check the quality?
No,
Why? Because
because of this mark here.
correct. And all that we need is for the operator to say that I have filled up to the mark. So in a sense, we don't need the quality inspector. I am so sorry, but you will have to leave. However, you had an observation. What is that?
Initially, she was very fast while filling, but at the end, her speed dropped drastically.
Okay.
Time 32 seconds. Accepted 5. Rejected 0. And rework nil. Total 32 seconds.
Notice that we have reduced the total time. So we have gained on productivity. But the filling operation itself has taken longer. Why do you think it has taken longer?
She was filling the glasses slowly towards the end.
Yeah, why was that? Because she had to check the level and whether the quality is being matched or not. Every time you check at the end, this is what happens. The time increases. As you see here, we went for the filling operation from 13 seconds to 32 seconds. Because we were checking quality at the end. Any suggestion about how to improve further? What can we do to measure quality at the beginning? Quality at source. Any ideas?
We can use pre-measured glass.
Okay, let's try. Start. That's one.
Also, Aishwarya has to make sure that she doesn't spill the water. And even if she does, she has to refill it to ensure the quality.
Done. Stop.
It took 16 seconds.
Alright. 16 seconds for filling.
5
How
and
about acceptance? Do you think there is any question? You can check.
You can check.
Do you need to check?
This is perfect.
Do you need to check?
No.
Wow.
5 accepted. 0 rejected. Rework nil. Total time 16 seconds.
Can we see a great reduction happening?
Yes.
What did we do? This was quality check after the process. This was quality check at the end of the process. And this is quality check at the beginning of the process. So, when we check quality at the beginning of the process, the total time comes down. The quality goes up, we have no rejects, and the time comes down. The secret here is quality check at source. Quality at source in the beginning. Most of the managements follow the practice of checking quality at the end. In fact, many times they have a situation of operations and a separate department called quality control, which checks quality at the end. Instead of which, you need to integrate the two and have the, say, a small goodbye to the quality control and make quality as the first requirement of operations. Do you have anything to say?
Thank you for releasing me. I can use my time for more useful work.
Alright, so this is the secret. Moral of the story is your quality can go up while the cost goes down if you just have quality at source. Check in the beginning. watch the wonders that it will work in your organization.